Imagine stepping into a home that costs less than your smartphone but feels like $1 million retreat. This stunning $5,000 tiny home is shaking the internet, and once you see what's inside, you'll be left speechless. It's cozy, clever, and designed to make you question everything you thought you knew about living spaces. Let's step inside and see why everyone's obsessed with this little masterpiece. At first glance, it looks like something straight out of a futuristic minimalist dream: sleek lines, soft wooden tones, and windows that flood the space with natural light. But here's the crazy part: the entire thing was built for under $5,000. How? The creator used reclaimed wood, repurposed furniture, and just pure genius design. Every inch of space serves a purpose, and nothing goes to waste. Open the tiny door and the first thing you notice is how surprisingly spacious it feels. There's a mini living area with a comfy couch that doubles as storage, a fold-out desk for work or meals, and just above it, a cleverly hidden sleeping loft. The bed space is snug but so smartly placed, you forget how small the home really is. It's like living inside a puzzle that's been perfectly solved. Now the kitchen. It's small, but it's loaded. You've got a mini fridge, a single burner stove, and shelves that pull out like magic. Every utensil has its spot, and nothing looks cramped. You can literally cook, eat, relax, and sleep all within an arm's reach, yet it never feels cluttered. It's simplicity done right: clean, compact, and practical. Then comes the bathroom, and this is where things get really impressive. You'd expect a tiny home at this price to cut corners, but not this one. There's a compact shower, a composting toilet, and even a little mirror with LED lighting that gives it a modern touch. It's functional, fresh, and totally off-grid ready. But what really makes this tiny home special isn't just the price or the design, it's the feeling it gives. It's about freedom. Imagine waking up in the woods, on a beach, or in your favorite mountain spot, your whole house moving with you. No rent, no stress, no limits. Just peace and simplicity. People spend hundreds of thousands chasing comfort, but this $5,000 wonder proves you don't need all that. With smart design, creativity, and a little effort, you can have a home that's not only affordable but life-changing. And honestly, looking at this setup, it's hard not to dream about building one yourself. So, what do you think? Could you live in this $5,000 tiny home? Because for many people, this isn't just a house, it's a ticket to a simpler, freer, and happier way of living. And once you see how beautifully it all comes together, you'll never look at tiny the same way again. Stay tuned, you won't believe what the creator added next. This little home might just change how the world thinks about living space forever.